It's been 3 months since Jinger Duggar welcomed her first child, and from the looks of her latest Instagram pics, the 24-year-old wasted no time in getting back to her fitness regimen. Fans have marveled at Jinger's post-baby body, and many have asked the Counting On star for tips and tricks. Fortunately, Jinger is happy to fill fans in on her weight loss methods. Unfortunately, her followers might not be thrilled with Jinger's secrets. It turns out, Jinger has stuck to the basics in the months since she welcomed little Felicity into the world. Insiders say she eats right and exercises a lot, a fact Jinger confirmed with her latest Instagram posts. Jinger and her husband, Jeremy Vuolo, currently reside in Laredo, Texas, and while they escaped the brunt of Hurricane Michael, their proximity to the Gulf Coast means the couple has faced some pretty wild weather lately. But Jinger didn't let the rain and wind stand in the way of her daily jogs.
Jinger recently documented the stormy weather on her Instagram page and informed fans that it would not stop her from getting in a vigorous workout. Perfect day for a run. She captioned the above photo. As rich and famous as they are, the Duggars tend to eschew luxuries such as personal trainers and Hollywood trends like fad diets. So it stands to reason that Jinger would favor the old-fashioned approach when trying to lose that last little bit of baby weight. Needless to say, the old ways seem to be working for her. And one of Jinger's famous peers recently took notice. So that mama is looking fantastic. Congrats on your new baby girl. Little people, big world star Tori Roloff recently commented on one of Jinger's pics. She gets prettier every day. Jeremy was quick to second that opinion, responding, she gets prettier every day. Obviously, baby Felicity is Jinger's #1 priority these days, but it seems she's also taking time to look after herself while Jeremy watches the baby. Further evidence that, slowly but surely, the Duggars are joining the 21st century. Better late than never.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.